Sine x equals 1. What's the solution? Sine x equals 1. The solution is, think about it, pi over 2 plus 2 pi k. Pi over 2 plus 2 pi k. All right. What about sine squared x? Can we say that? Sine squared x? Yes. Sine squared x equals 1. What's the solution of sine squared x equals 1? Pi over 2 plus pi k, right? Pi over 2 plus pi k. All right. What about sine 2x equals 1? What's the solution of sine 2x equals 1? Well, that's equivalent to 2x equals pi over 2 plus 2 pi k, right? It's equivalent to 2x equals pi over 2 plus 2 pi k. And that is equivalent to x equals pi over 4 plus pi k, right? That's equivalent to x equals pi over 4 plus pi k. All right. Let's do another one with sine. Sine x equals 1/2. Sine x equals 1/2. What's the solution? The solution is x equals pi over 6 plus 2 pi k or 5 pi over 6 plus 2 pi k, right? X equals pi over 6 plus 2 pi k or 5 pi over 6 plus 2 pi k. All right. What about sine 3x equals 1/2? Sine 3x equals 1/2. Well, let's solve that. So that's equivalent to 3x equals pi over 6 plus 2 pi k or 5 pi over 6 plus 2 pi k, which is equivalent to x equals pi over 18 plus 2 pi k over 3 or 5 pi over 18 plus 2 pi k over 3. All right, and the original equation was sine 3x equals 1/2. All right, let's do sine squared x equals 1/4. Let's solve that. Sine squared x equals 1/4. Sine squared x equals 1/4. All right, that is equivalent to sine x equals plus or minus 1/2, right? Sine x equals plus or minus 1/2. And the solution is x equals pi over 6 plus pi k or 5 pi over 6 plus pi k. All right, let's do another one. Sine x equals root 3 over 2. Sine x equals root 3 over 2. What's the solution? The solution is x equals pi over 3 plus 2 pi k or 2 pi over 3 plus 2 pi k, right? The solution is x equals pi over 3 plus 2 pi k or 2 pi over 3 plus 2 pi k. All right, let's do another one. Sine x equals negative root 3 over 2. Sine x equals negative root 3 over 2. What's the solution? The solution is x equals negative pi over 3 plus 2 pi k or negative 2 pi over 3 plus 2 pi k, right? Let's do another one. Sine x equals negative 1/2. Sine x equals negative 1/2. What's the solution? Sine x equals negative 1/2. The solution is x equals negative pi over 6 plus 2 pi k or negative 5 pi over 6 plus 2 pi k. All right. Let's do another one. Sine x equals 2. What is the solution of sine x equals 2? The empty set, right? Because sine cannot exceed 1. What is the solution to sine x equals 2 over root 3? Sine x equals 2 over root 3. The solution is the empty set because Sine x cannot exceed 1, right? What is the solution to sine x equals -2? Sine x equals -2, again the empty set, because the absolute value of sine cannot exceed 1. What is the solution to sine x equals -2 over root 3? Sine x equals -2 over root 3. The solution again is the empty set, because the absolute value of sine cannot exceed 1.